Hello everyone, this is Shweta Negi and welcome to my YouTube channel Experience the Math. In this video, we are solving exercise 9.1 from chapter 9, 10th class NCERT book and question number 8. So according to the question number 8, a statue 1.6 meter tall stand on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. So first we will understand the question. So we have a pedestal. Pedestal is a kind of a pole or a pole and roadside pole, and there is a statue, means there is a statue at the which is situated on the top of the pole or pedestal. Here he is saying that is a pedestal. Pedestal is a marking kind of pole which is located near side the roads. So pedestal, and on it there is a statue, and the height of the statue is 1.5 meter. Okay, so now there is a ground and a point on the ground, and from that point the angle of elevation the top of the statue, okay, is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. So here it is very important to notice he is talking about the top of the statue and the top of the pedestal. So based on this information, first we will draw its diagram. Okay, so now according to the question, we have a pedestal and we have to find out the height of the pedestal. So I am considering its height as h. At the top of the pedestal there is a statue whose height is 1.6 meter. Okay, so statue with the height 1.6 meter located at the top of the pedestal. Okay, now this is the ground, and on the ground there is a point C. I am taking a point C, and from that point, so from this point C, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue at point D, means from the point C to the from point D, the angle of elevation is 60 degree, and again from the same point the angle of elevation the top of the pedestal, so this is the pedestal and its top is at point A, so at the point A angle of elevation is 45 degree. So now this is the diagram we have. Okay, and I am considering the distance between this point which is on the ground and the foot of the pedestal, x meter. I am considering this x as a x meter. So first we will take in the right angle triangle A B C. Okay, so first we will take in the right angle triangle A B C. So in this case angle will be, we have 45 degree perpendicular upon base. Tan theta we are taking because we have to find out the height, and base we are taking, so that's why we are taking tan 45. So h upon x. So tan 45 is equal to 1. So height and the distance will be equal. H is equal to x. Now another right angle triangle we have DBC. Okay, again in this we will take tan थीटा. वाई वी आर टेकिंग टेन थीटा बच्चे, बिकॉज हमें हाइट निकालनी है, और हाइट परपेंडिकुलर, तो परपेंडिकुलर हमारा किस में आता है, एक साइन के साथ आता है और एक टेन के साथ आता है, जो टिग्नोमेट्रिकल रेशो है, और हमारे पास यहाँ पर हाइपोटेन्यूस तो है नहीं, तो इसलिए हम साइन वाला लेंगे नहीं, इसलिए हम टेन वाला लेते हैं. जब हमारे पास बेस और टेन परपेंडिकुलर का रेशो होता है, इसलिए हम हमेशा जब भी होता है तो देखा होगा आपने, हम टेन थीटा लेते हैं. सो नाउ अगेन इन ट्राइंगल DBC, tan 60 degree, so tan 60 degree perpendicular DB upon base BC. Okay, so now we'll So triangle DBC, tan 60 degree, perpendicular upon base, perpendicular DB upon BC. So DB is equal to 1.6 plus H, the height of the statue plus height of the pedestal. Complete 60 वाले में complete हमारा आएगा, पूरा perpendicular आएगा. The height of statue plus height of the pedestal upon X. Okay, distance base है, जो base दोनों के लिए common है. So tan 60 degree equal to √3 1.6 plus H upon X. Cross multiplication as we have given H equal to X. X हमें find out नहीं करना, हमें H find out करना है, इसलिए हमने in place of we are putting H. So H √3 plus is equal to 1.6 plus H. H हमारा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आएगा तो ये माइनस का हो जाएगा, दोनों में H कॉमन है. √3 minus 1 equal to 1.6. Now we have to find out the value of H. So 1.6 upon √3 minus 1. तो इसको हम इस तरीके से नहीं रहने देंगे. सो वी विल रैशनलाइज इट्स डिनोमिनेटर. आफ्टर रैशनलाइजिंग √3 plus 1 से मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड करेंगे. सो 1.6 √3 plus 1 और √3 स्क्वायर इज 3 minus 1. सो इट विल बी 2 से आपका 1.6 8 टाइम कट जाएगा. यहाँ पे मैंने अब चाहे तो इतना भी आप रख सकते हैं इफ़ यू वांट टू डू कैलकुलेशन टिल एयर. बट इफ़ द √3 वैल्यू यू हैव गिवन 1.732, तो आप इसको वैल्यू को पुट करके इसको सिंप्लीफाई करके मल्टीप्लाई करके ये वाली वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. सो इट्स डिपेंड कि अगर √3 की वैल्यू आपको एग्जाम में गिवन है तो आप इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लीजिए, अदरवाइज़ यहाँ तक भी आपका आंसर करेक्ट है. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 8.